Open your eyes in 3, 2, 1. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna do something random, something weird, something out of the box, something crazy. So what I'm doing is I am attempting to do a drag transformation. Okay, so I've always seen them start off with like all the brows. There's 2 brows. The brows, so I'm gonna do that first. I don't know if you have to like wet them first or anything, but I'm gonna try. I don't want to do this. So I'm putting on the okay, update. They're feeling like crackly. I usually use this, but I think the foundation will get absorbed, so I'm not gonna use that today. I'll use a sponge. So I'm not gonna use that today. I know this is like, you've never seen this because it's Dollar Tree. What is that? Ugh. Okay, so since they turned out terrible, I redid them and re-glued them, but I glued so much down, and it felt like it was ripping out of my head. I even lost an eyebrow hair, and I was so paranoid that I was going to lose all of my hair. Okay, so oh shoot. One of them already fell out, and I'm not about to have fallen out eyebrows for school that's in like a week. I'm really not for this. I'm so scared. Like, I'm actually scared. Like, once I take this off, what's gonna happen? I'm so scared. I was worried about looking like what you're gonna see in the next clip. Okay, so I'm back, and it looks a little bit better than last time, but I just can't get the glue to stop, just going away. I mean, it looks like real from afar. This is what I'm gonna look like when school comes around next week. But, I mean, good enough. So the next step was putting the foundation all over my face. I know y'all are gonna come for me from using a Home Depot paint sponge brush. I really don't know who taught me to do that with contour, but it looks like I'm taking someone's order at a drive-thru.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. What would you like?
3 sugar cookies. We want 4 large fries.
It looks really bad, but I promise you straight on, it's like perfect. And I'm just gonna apply it, because they always have like excess bake on them. Honestly, I'm living for it. I just can't show the sides, but like the front face looks really good. I just want to know who behind the camera is telling me that I look perfect, because this is not perfect. I know it doesn't look good on the sides, it looks so bad on the sides, but that's besides the point. I'm going to be using this for my lids and eyebrows. Okay, I'm back. Oh my, what is that? And then I just did like some little touch-ups and stuff. What I mean by ugly is this. The next moments are going to be the cringiest moments of the video because I actually have a wig on. Just wait. So I'm back. And I got a weave. I really regret this. So we're going to surprise my brother now. Not from the side, but from the front. He's in there. I'm going to call him actually. I'm going to call him. Noah. Come here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And then walk over here. With your eyes closed.
I can't see.
The door's shut. Okay, keep them closed. So I made myself into a drag queen. Okay, open your eyes in 3, 2, 1. Isn't that so funny?
Ew.
You have to look at it straight on because the side angle, the nose contour is very ugly.
Ew.
Like straight on. Okay, it looks good with the beauty filter.
Where's your eyebrows go?
Right here.
Why?
Up there.
Why?
Because I was doing a drag queen challenge.
Okay. Your teeth is orange.
You're kidding me. Are you kidding me? Okay, whatever, who cares? You can still see my eyebrows. That's because I had the $1 foundation.
Bye, boo boo. Goodbye.